Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to add payment method on Coinbase mobile app. So it's a step-by-step guide process to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get it right into it. So first off, we are going to head into Coinbase, where you can download it in your iOS or Android application, or you can just head onto their website coinbase.com, where you can open it in your Safari or Google Chrome browser. And of course, to add the payment method on Coinbase mobile app, first you have to sign in or sign up an account in Coinbase. So there's a separate video for that, where you can find how to download and create a Coinbase account on your phone. So that's a separate topic. So here I'll just show you how to add the payment method. So first off, you sign in or you log into your account in Coinbase. After that, you just go to access the Coinbase mobile app. So unfortunately, I can't really show you how it works since it's not available in my country, but I'll walk you through it step by step. So to access the Coinbase mobile app, just select and choose the profile settings in the top left corner of your screen. Then select payment methods and choose add a payment method. So you can select to add a bank account. So this is how it will probably look like, or probably like this. So you can add your PayPal, your Eurobank, your whatever bank you need, credit card, debit card, or whatsoever. It's just so easy as such as doing that. Just link it to your certain account, such as your bank or debit. Then there you go guys, you have already added the payment method in Coinbase. So thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.